Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. Well, Bitcoin's retrace, but Stack Funds hails Bitcoin's retrace as a healthy correction and predicts 100K euphoria ahead, and I fully endorse their prediction. We all know if you look at 2017 and everything else, whenever coins go way up, they don't go straight up. There's always up and then dips and then up again, and we're just in one of those dips. Remember, it didn't really go. It went around like 17,000, maybe 16,000 something for a little while, but now it's back up around 17,200. It looks like it's kind of stabilized, and it may go back up towards 18,000 soon. So, it wasn't really that big of a retrace. You lost a thousand, 2,000 points or something, maybe 2,500 at the worst or something like that, but it bounced back up really fast. There's still a lot of buying power in terms of like institutional investors. They do provide a much higher bottom line now for Bitcoin, even if it flash crashes. Let's just say somehow it flash crashes to $5,000. Even if it does that, it will come back up very fast because the buy and demand scale has basically tipped in favor massively of buy right now because of all the institutional money like Grayscale coming in. There's like 10 or so like funds that said at least 10 or so funds that have said they're going to buy Bitcoin, and more are on the way. And corrections are healthy because you do have to consolidate somewhere. So Bitcoin can surge towards $100,000 next year, and it might well reach $100,000 following yesterday's healthy pullback, with market psychology currently in the belief stage, said Stack Funds. And I do think it's turned from bearish to bullish. We are definitely in the belief stage. Crypto index fund provider Stack Funds has labeled yesterday's pullback as a healthy correction that was needed before Bitcoin continues its upward trajectory. Bitcoin broke through $19,000 earlier this week after posting 7 weeks of consecutive gains. That's right, guys, 7 weeks. Like back a couple of months ago, we were below 10,000, so let's not forget the big picture. According to the firm, the crypto has been at overbought levels since October, further supporting the need for a correction. So, like whenever you're overbought, there is a tendency to sell, and for the last couple of weeks at least, we've been kind of overbought. But that doesn't mean it's not overall bullish because the institutional buyers keep on coming in. The firm examined metrics around market psychology and says market participants are currently in the belief stage of the cycle, which will eventually flow into a euphoria stage. To support their claims, the fund cites Glassnode's data on Bitcoin's net unrealized profit loss, often referred to as NUPL, which compares BTC's current price with each coin last moved on chain. Historically, when the number of people in profit has surged above 95%, the fund explained that has been a good indicator of market tops. Obviously, when 95% of people are in the profit, they're going to want to take some profit. So because of that, obviously it might retrace. It has been a good indicator of market tops. Color mapping the parameters and percentiles of various market states. Euphoria 75%, belief 50% to 75%, optimism 25 to 50%, hope 0 to 25%, capitulation 0%, allows for a breakdown of Bitcoin's macro cycles. So you can see in January of 19, it was basically in the capitulation phase. Then essentially we went back into the capitulation phase in January of 20 because of the flash crash, and now we're way up, and we are somewhat around the euphoria cycle almost now. Currently, we are around the maybe 60-70% area, and then we will actually get to the euphoria cycle pretty soon, I would guess. Like the way it's going, euphoria probably within the next couple of months, and that's when all the fun really begins. So the correction is healthy. I wouldn't worry about it. I mean, you could make some money trading and selling, but holding is not a bad idea because I think euphoria will come very soon. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.